Here is a quick tutorial on how to connect the hoses to our radiant panels. First, connect the 10mm push fit side onto the panel on both the flow and return sides. Before connecting the 15mm push fit side to your pipework, it is important that the ends of the pipework are rounded and deburred. So before doing so, remove the spacer clip from the 15mm push fit side on the hose. Once the spacer clip has been removed, it is important that the ends of the pipework are rounded and deburred using the appropriate tools. This is for an easy install into the 15mm push fit side. Push the copper pipe into the 15mm push fit. Grab the spacer clip and fit it back onto the 15mm push fit side to lock the pipe in place.